Hi! I know it's been a while since I put up a video. I was in DC, like I said in my last video. Got to see the cherry blossoms and they were amazing. Today I just wanted to share with you my Sephora beauty haul from the VIP sale. Got all my stuff here. Please ignore this mess here. I'm getting ready to fix up some of my Dapper Day outfits for this weekend. Yeah, so let's start with the first item. I always hear a bunch of stuff about Drunk Elephant, so I got this little, it says acid trip, little sample thing. It has the TLC Framboise Glycolic Night Serum, the Shikari Baby Facial, the PERMA Day Serum, and the Virgin Marcula Luxury Facial Oil, and I think I butchered all of those names, but I'm excited to try these out. Open this to get a better look. Oh, so cute. But yeah, they're cute little size and at a discount. Great. I got the McGrath Labs PERMA Precision Liquid Eyeliner. This little blue packaging. I've been looking for a black liquid liner that works really well. And it's got some nice reviews. Got the felt tip. And that is really black. And it does not budge, so I think that's a winner. And it's actually pretty affordable price for McGrath, so I'm excited for that. Next, I have the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and this I have seen a lot, and I love how it has the little squeezy top. I guess I have to squeeze it a few times for it to come out. I'll do that later. But their packaging is always so adorable. Next up, I got the NARS. I think the highlighting powder. They just came out with this new formula. This is the Fort de France. That's what it looks like. It's more of that champagne golden color. And it's such a light, I don't know if you can see, I don't think it picks it up, but it's such a light formula. There's no glitter, which I really like, because then it doesn't accentuate any texture on your face, which is good. So Alana has been talking about this a lot. It's the Fresh Instant Glow Luminizer with Meadow Foam Seed Oil. And whenever she uses it, it looks amazing. So I have to go out during this sale to try it out. Okay, and there's a seal on it. I'll take that off later, but oh, I got it in the color Sunset, which was a deeper golden color. Next is the Matte Addict Lip Glow in the Matte Glow. I really liked, this is Matte Raspberry 102. I really like the original glow. So this is actually what I have on right now, because I got a little sample before, and I really like it. The formula is so nice and hydrating, and it's so light. A few of these things I bought because Alana talks about it a lot, and these she recently got. It's the Laura Mercier Velour Xtreme Matte Lipstick, and this is the Bring It color. And that is such, I'm really bad at this. Such a nice color. There you go. Well, I guess that was easier. That's such a pretty pink color. I think I got a different shade also. Let me see if I can find it. Just dropped it. And this is the color Fire. The same Laura Mercier. So this one's like a red. That's Fire. It's more of a orangey red, and this is Bring It, which is more of a pink, fuchsia pink. With the texture on this is really nice. This, which I have not taken off the packaging, is the lip liner that Alana wears all the time. Forgot what. Okay, this one is 5C, and it always looks amazing on her. So I had to go out and get it because she pairs it up with the Dior Addict, the original lipstick, and it looks really good. The lip glow. And this here, it's the Lancôme Matte Shaker. I had bought this in Mango Tango, something like that. It's like the orangey color, and I really like it. So I bought the Kiss Me Chérie, and I'm so excited to wear it. Right now I'm in the process of trying to figure out what makeup I'm gonna take to Europe, because I'm gonna be there for 3 weeks. So I don't want my luggage to just be mainly makeup. So I'm trying to get stuff that I can use multi-purposes, just like, so I can just fit everything in one bag. This is actually the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Luminous Blush. I got the little travel size one. It looked really cute, but I heard these are really nice. This is mainly like a fuchsia pink with some gold. It's really nice packaging. I've been trying to move myself into green products. I'm trying to open the packaging, and I hear a lot about the milk products. So I got this bronzer in Blaze. I don't know if you see that, but it's right here. For the price, I think it's pretty good because it's a big container of a matte bronzer. So this should last a really long time. It's so weird, it looks like it still has a casing on it. So shiny. Ooh, that feels nice. Runs out pretty nicely. That's interesting. Mango butter. It's infused with mango butter, peach nectar, and avocado oil. Sounds interesting. I didn't even know they had mango butter, but I guess they can make butter out of anything. Next is another Pat McGrath product, and it's their lipstick. I actually have one of her lipsticks already. I think I have the red one called Edison, and I like the formula a lot. It's lightweight, it feels like you have nothing on. The packaging is beautiful. So I had to get this like nudish brown color. I don't know, but I saw a sample of it from Nikki Tutorials. She swatched like pretty much all of the lipsticks that she first came out with, and this just looked amazing on her. I don't know if you can see that shade. It's so pretty. And the last thing I have is the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I don't really have any Anastasia products. I think just the dual powder brow thing. But this, as soon as I saw it come out, I was like, all these colors. Oops. Just dropped the brush. Oh well. All these colors I would use all the time, and these are the shades that I was looking for to take with me, because I just want to take one eyeshadow palette when I go to Europe. Just a little brush. Never used the little brushes, but what are you gonna do? This palette, man, it's so pretty, so pretty. And that is it. I'm gonna try these out, let you know what I think of them. Please ignore crazy hair. It's just, I need to wash this hair. I'm trying to decide if I should dye it today or tomorrow. But yeah, until next time, remember to subscribe and click that like button, and bye.